So first, when an ATC is being designed, the specialist thinks about what are you really good at? What are your capabilities? And what do you already bring to the equation? And then we see with this set of things, your trajectory is going to go here in 2 years. That's T1.
I'm an entrepreneur based out of Vizag.
I am an HR leader.
I'm a restaurant owner.
I am an executive coach.
I'm a personal excellence specialist.
I'm a therapist.
I'm a naturopathy and yoga consultant.
I am an educator.
I'm a doctor from United Kingdom.
I am founder of wealth management firm.
Myself, Dr. Antano Harini.
I'm actually a scientist.
Business growth, personal growth, and also personal and professional, both things I got at one place.
And I evolve faster in the same rate with which world is evolving, and that helped me getting superior capabilities. So I come again and again because I get new capabilities to face the new challenge of the fast changing world.
As a doctor, I'm really surprised to see how ANH able to clear some of the medical conditions. But through allopathy, we were not able to do that.
When you're seeing your life from the first floor, you see a very limited view of your life. Now, the first up is like that, and the second up when you go, you're going to the third floor now. You can see a lot more things that need to get sorted in your life.
It actually impacts every aspect of our life, be it health, be it your launching your legacies and impacting millions of people around the world.
What was happening is that it was like spontaneous. So my wife says that every up you attend, 6 months down the line, you are a new person.
The impact keeps increasing to the ecosystems that you are a part of.
After that, the journey has been super, like speed-wise, it has been super fast.
Once you start growing, it doesn't make sense to stop.
A new trajectory where a superior outcome can happen in a shorter time frame where your rarity is complete. And then the person sees T2.
If you want to create a personal evolution to achieve a legacy, this is the program.
And what made me pick big was not just doing it for myself, but learning to do it for others.
Normal human beings, they get to evolve in once in 10 years, right? What if that could happen for you every 6 months?
I was completely shaken being a medical professional. All this was beyond my understanding.
So with this education and this gift that Antano and Harini have given, I've already been able to bring about a lot of mindset shifts. There is some magical transformation.
People actually work so hard, and then they earn. But for me, it was quite effortless.
Time is something, it's so precious for each and every people. People look out for freedom of time. And when time is compressed, you have time and time. I am doing so many things.
Also, learn what is done to me and take it forward to my family, my friends, my colleagues. So that was an interesting piece.
It's not magic, but it feels like magic.
The dream can expand as big as how much of your rarity is complete. So now they're thinking T3, T4, and now the dream is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and scope is expanding. So in their mind of the specialist, there's charisma intensification, and there's so many more capabilities that this person is going to have that they can dream bigger for them for T4.
For me, Antano Harini are my friends, my coach, my guide.
If you are just around them, they'll transform you.
Whenever I'm stuck in a dark space, so I find light through them.
Gratitude for everything that they do. I think it's just beautiful, and it's such a privilege to be part of this community. Forever, forever grateful.
They're the world's best mentors one can have.
I am a child holding their hands and just walking freely without any stress.
And it's all thanks to Antano and Harini and the entire team.
You cannot imagine that, in this world, you will find this bunch of people, this ANS family, who are working day and night for us, so that our lives become better.